Wagwan raw fam, welcome to another Rawsome Recipe. As usual, I'm here with the in-house raw chef, Kadeen, the fruit bee queen of Fruit Blossoms. So today we'll be making, and I say we, yeah, because it's we will be making a detox juice, and we're gonna be calling it Detox juice. So detox, boosting the immunity system, yeah. Kadeen, over to you. I'm going to leave you. When it's tasting time, you can call me.
Didn't she just say we? Didn't she just say we?
Bye.
OMG, right? As usual. But the next time she can't trick me. She can't trick me next time. Anyway, guys, so we're getting into it. So we're going to be doing a Detox, which is actually a detox, boosting the immune system, right? So we're gonna have 3 simple ingredients. Well, 4. One of them is just one little super booster. So let's get into it. So it's called Detox because we're going in with beetroot. You know, beetroot is very good for the system, is a natural detoxifier, helps to flush the system of toxins, and we're going in with beetroot. Then we have some carrots here. We're gonna put everything in the blender, and the other fruit that we have is our very own Otahiti apples, or some people just say Jamaican apples. So if it's not in your country as that, you know, some people call it, I think, water apple, wax apple, you know, whatever. This kind of apple, right? Jamaican apple. This is what we're going in, and this is very good for the immune system. Very, very good. It's also good for your vision. So a lot of this is good. It's in season now here in Jamaica. So let's get into it, right? So we're gonna put some of our beetroot. So we're gonna put about a cup. And beetroot is very strong. The flavor is very strong. Tastes very earthy. So, you know, you don't want to overpower it with the beetroot. Then we're gonna go in with some carrots. Already have our carrots, everything cut up here. And we're going with about 2 cups. You know, kind of eyeball the carrots here. Guys, you can cut it up like a finer if your blender is not so powerful. So we're going in with 2 times the amount of carrot to the beetroot. Then we're going to put some apples in here. They're very soft, easy to cut up, and the darker the apple, it is, the riper it is, and the sweeter it is. So we're just gonna dice up here. Very easy. Very easy. Let's take another one. And let me tell you about the apples too. They're high in water content. Very high. So that again helps to flush the system, right? So we're just gonna cut up. And we always say, don't be a slave to the ingredients, you know, and you can do it to your preference, to your taste. Now, what we're going to also add to our juice, make it even super up the juice, we're going in with some sea moss, superfood, right? About 2 tablespoons of sea moss there, sea moss gel, and all this is just sea moss soaked in water, blended. That's it. No boiling, nothing, just soaked, blended, right? Then we have coconut water. What we always say about coconut water, and for the new persons, coconut water adds flavor, while regular water, it dilutes your fruit, right? So we're going in with natural flavor right here. Right? So we're adding about 2 to 3 cups of coconut water in this, and we're just going to blend. Always turn on your blender first before you start blending, so you know it's not so hard or harsh on your blender, you know. Okay, so we're done blending. It's smooth. I mean, you can have it just like this, you know, with the pulp and everything. You can have it just like this. If you want all the fiber, you can have it just like this. But for the juicing purpose, we're going to strain it. You know, just get the juice, get it right into your bloodstream. And I'm using a straining bag. Some people call it cheese, nut bag, nut milk bag, but I made my own. Well, my mother did.
But if you want, you can get your nut milk bag on the Rawsome Amazon store. I leave a link in the description section.
So you see how Stacia is helping me out right now with the juice? Yeah, that link in the description section, click it. You can get your nut milk bag from her, right? Good. So we're going to strain this. This has made life so much easier than the strainer. Whoever invented this is a genius. So all we're going to do is be squeezing. See, watch juice. Watch juice. Watch richness. This is absolutely, the smell is good. Now we're just gonna just keep squeezing until all the juice is out. All the juice is out. Yes. So we can even wring it dry. Look at that. All right, so we're just gonna set this aside. Yes, and it can squeeze some more, but set this aside, and we are ready. So all we're going to be doing is tasting. I will taste. I, who made the juice, will taste the juice and let.
So we'll be tasting the detox juice, the Beetroot juice. All right, I'm ready.
I shall let her pour hers herself.
And I'm going to be calling somebody from our Raw Chefing's live audience to come and taste as well. I feel like my whole body have a like
having a party. Having a party.
System of work come.
So, cheers
to the eyes. All right, so this is Rawsome member Stephanie, team member.
Team. Yes.
All right, this is and Stephanie's on a juice fast right now, so that's why we call her.
Perfect.
Nice.
And it's immune boosting.
I will try this at home.
Yes.
Right.
So guys, remember the beetroot, carrot, the outer eaty apples, and a little sea moss. Your body will love you for it. Yes?
All right. Thank you so much, Kadeen, for another Rawsome recipe. Rawsome, I am asking you, please to leave a comment and let me know what you thought about this detox juice recipe. And remember, you know, it's that season when you need to build up and boost up your immune system. Also, I want to remind you that anything that you saw Kadeen use today, whether it's the cutting board, the blender, bowls, anything you saw Kadeen use, you can find something like it in the description below. So just click the link in the description if you need any of the tools that we have used today. And finally, if you have gotten this far, it means that you enjoy and you like what we're doing. So like the video,
share,
subscribe to the Raw Food Challenge JA channel, and lastly, you're going to see 2 videos somewhere on the screen. Watch another video. Thanks again for joining.
And share it. And share it
with somebody who you think would find this useful.
So Stacia said it's final thing. It's not the final thing. If you can't be bothered to make this juice, you can find it at Fruit Blossoms at Portmore Pines Plaza, shop 28.
Right. If you're in Jamaica.
Right? The Detox.
And if you're visiting, this is one of the stops that we make on our raw food tour. Thanks again, Kadeen.
You're welcome.
It's always a pleasure being here with you.
Being here with me, not helping.
And tasting your Rawsome recipes.
Okay.
See you next time, Raw family.
Let's go.